Hello everyone! Welcome to our free webinar. I know for sure, curious ka din, paano nga ba talaga kumita using Canva and digital products? So for sure, matagal mo na itong nakikita or maybe this is new to you. Kaya let's go! Pag-uusapan natin yun ngayon. How to earn in digital products using Canva. Paano nga ba? So don't worry, I'm gonna explain this to you, all the process, and I'm gonna simplify it para mas maintindihan nating lahat. Kasi sa dami ng information sa labas, nakakalito na, nakaka-overwhelm, tama? So we're gonna explain it in a very simple explanation. Now, I'm gonna show you how I earn 6 digits from Canva and digital product as a complete beginner. Yes, I'm a complete beginner. I'm not creative. I'm not an editor. I don't have any background in editing. So as you can see, I was able to earn in just 1 month, right? So it's 100,000. Saan ka makakita niyan? So let's go. Pag-uusapan natin paano nga ba ito. Now, just a reminder, this is not new working in coding, gaming apps, job shipping, or any easy monies or get rich quick scheme like that. So be careful. This is pure digital product selling through Canva. Watch until the end if you really wanted to know. Just a reminder as well, beware of my posters because ang dami na talaga nagbe-message sa akin na ang dami nagbe-message sa kanya but different account. So be aware of that. This is my Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook page. This is for you. If you are a burnout employee na pagod na sa paulit-ulit na cycle at nahihirapan ka na mag-budget ng bills at nakaka-stress kapag walang extra. Sinong relate? No? I've been there. Sobrang relate ako dito. Yung tipong pagsahod mo, wala nang sahod. This is for you if you are a stay-at-home mom na gustong ibigay ang needs ng mga babies mo at gusto maka-provide din sa family needs. This is also for you if you are a student na gusto magkaroon ng extra allowance para mabili yung mga needs mo, whatever you need in school. So also if gusto mo na makabawi sa family mo but still hindi pa rin nagagawa, so this is for you. And lastly, if you wanted to upskill, earn extra 5,000 monthly or more passively, so this is for you. Sino nga ba tong nagsasalita sa harapan ninyo? Diba? I am Christine Ramirez and I am a former BPO employee. I'm 22 years old right now. I'm currently full-time digital product seller and 7 months unemployed. Imagine, nabuhay ako ng 7 months without work because of Canva and digital products. Paano nga ba ako nag-start? So this is just a quick story. Hindi ako dito magkakwento ng talambuhay ko. So as you can see, I am a burnout BPO employee. I've been in BPO for 2 years. And as you can see naman, ang dami kong dala-dala dyan. Dala-dalang galit. Ganon. Hindi, joke lang. So, okay naman. Like, kumaga grateful tayo. We're very grateful sa ating trabaho. But at the same time, nakakapagod din. Nakakapagod na gigising madaling araw, papasok ka, tapos stress yung manager mo, toxic yung ka-work mo, toxic pa yung trabaho. And yun yung hindi ko na kinaya yung mental health din and yung sahod nga. So, bakit nga ba ako nagtiyaga sa ganong trabaho, no? Lumaki ako sa unprivileged family and hindi ko na kailangan explain kung mahirap pa kami kasi kitang-kita naman, no? So, now, I already resigned in my job because nga again, I wanted to grow. Wala nang changes. I wanted to be financially free and I wanted na magkaroon ng time freedom as well. And as a result of trying this digital business or digital side hustle. This is my 2 week salary before. It's 8,900. Actually, malaki na yan. Sometimes, nagsi-7,000. Malaki na for me yung 9,000. Yes, for 2 weeks. And I started January 2024 here in digital products. So, right now, I am already 1 year in this business. And as you can see, imagine like 1 month, kaya pala ang 100,000. Kaya pala. So, I thought kasi, ang para sa akin ay 20K, like ang pinakamataas ko ng sahod is 30K, ganon. Like, yun lang ang deserve ko, but no, we deserve more pala. And as you can see naman, so this is my sales. Aside from money, we all know na hindi naman talaga yung pinaka-goal yung money eh, di ba? We always want a comfortable life, financial free, financial stable, time freedom, and dito ko lang yan naranasan sa digital products and Canva. And right now, hawak na oras ko. So, I'm able to makabawi sa parents, sa family. Nakakapag-travel na din paunti-unti. And right now, work at home. Parang naka-work at home. So, I bought my dream gadgets. We all want comfortable life, not just because of money. And I'm gonna show you paano ko nga ba ito nagawa. And also, we have a free FB community. If you're not there, bakit wala ka pa doon? What is digital products? So digital products is a product that exists in digital form. Kumbaga accessible to sa phone, online, kumbaga wala kang physical product. I-create mo siya online or digitally, isisell mo din siya online. Best example for this is Netflix. Diba we subscribe every month sa Netflix for how much? Diba? Nakakakuha tayo ng mga videos, movies online. And yung Netflix, continuously income monthly. Diba? Without doing anything. One time lang nila ginawa yung movie or sinet up yun. Tama? So, I'm gonna give you more example of digital products. So, that will be ebooks. Number one yan, ebooks, guides, online courses, templates, invitations. Bakit nga ba ngayon ang pinaka-best time to start and sell digital products, no? Because actually, sa US, sa US talaga sobrang trending na nitong digital products. No, sobrang trending niya talaga. And dito sa Pilipinas, nag-i-start pa lang. So, kaya ngayon pa lang, i-grab mo na tong opportunity habang nag-i-start pa lang siya. So, number one, main reason, i-create mo lang siya ng once, but you can sell it unlimited. So, imagine, you create a product, tapos pwede mo pala siyang ibenta 100 times, 200 times, because you're just going to send the link. No? So you're not going to create another one. Next, no shipping costs and no inventory. As I've mentioned, wala na tayong physical product. Wala nang shipping costs. Third, worldwide market. So imagine natin, like pag nagtayo tayo ng physical store, kung sino lang dumadaan, yun yung mga market. Tama? But in here in digital product, kahit nasa ibang bansa, kayang-kaya mo itong gawin. Next is passive and automated. No? Because again, once you set it up, tuloy-tuloy na. Is you can do this at the comfort of your home because nga again, digital lang siya. This is very convenient rather than physical products. Paano ka nga ba talaga mag-start? So you have two options. Number one, you gonna create your own digital product. Second, you can resell an existing product. Paano ka nga ba talaga kikita? So now, for the first step, I'm gonna show you the very simple explanation. Just pick one niche, no? You're gonna pick your niche, either educational, fitness, yan, either mental health, alright? So maraming niche. Mamimili ka lang kung saan yung passion mo, kung saan ka knowledgeable. Also, dapat in demand. May nangangailangan ng product mo. So let's assume, no, na may niche ka na. The second step, you're gonna create your own or gonna resell. You can use Canva for free. Okay, so now, mamimili ka lang doon ng template or any design that you wanted to use para ilagay yung mga ideas mo from your niche. Now, once ma-set up at ma-create mo na yung product or ililist mo yung product na yun sa selling platform. So, one best example is Racket PH. So, yun yung magiging online store mo. Wala ka ng physical store. So, hindi mo na kailangan bantayan, hindi mo na kailangan mag-hire ng mga tauhan. Lastly, pag na-setup mo na siya, you are just going to promote it online. Ang pinakamaganda dito is free lang ang social media. You can market it online with social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. So, that's how it works. Yan talaga yung pinaka-flow niya. Okay? Huwag na natin i-complicate. Yan talaga. Okay? So, now, paano ka ba mag-create sa Canva? So, for example, decided to create an ebook about your niche, mamimili ka lang sa Canva ng mga template. And take note, hindi pwede na as is mo lang ibebenta. So, bawal yon. Dapat mo siyang i-edit, dagdagan ng elements. So, marami ring free elements dyan. So, now, you can use ChatGPT for an ideas, no? Kasi maybe hindi, kumbaga kung nagkukulangan ka pa sa ideas mo, you can use ChatGPT to generate more ideas. And after you create your product, you gonna get the link and save it either PDF or template link or public view link. So, saan ka ba pwede mag-send? So as I've mentioned, pwede ka mag-sell sa Rocket PH, so Shopify, Etsy, Gumroad, Pinterest, social media. At Rocket PH, it is an online platform that is created sa Philippines talaga. Like, the co-founder of this Rocket PH is Juan Carlos Labajo. If kilala niyo siya, siya yung singer and actor, no? And now, ito yung reasons na bakit ba Rocket PH ang pinaka-best because again, napaka-seamless lang niya gamitin. Kasi nga, beginner-friendly din siya, hindi siya complicated. Yung Rocket PH na ang magde-deliver ng product mo to customers. So even tulog ka, even may ginagawa ka, may work ka, nag-aaral ka, you can still earn. No? So, also, this is available locally and internationally. Paano mo ba makukuha yung earnings? So, for example, this is my Rocket PH wallet. So, si Rocket PH ay may sariling e-wallet. Technically, yung mga sales mo from your store, mapupunta siya sa Rocket PH e-wallet. And then, pag gusto mo na siya i-withdraw, kiklik mo lang to, send to your bank or send to your e-wallet. And so, legit ba yan? Legit ba yan? So, first of all, like ko sinasabi, I won't show my face if hindi ito legit. Do your own research and do your own background checking. I showed already my accounts. Pwede mong i-stock yan. Tingnan natin, no? Papanoorin natin isa sa pinakakilalang financial motivational speaker which is Chinky Tan.
Kumita habang ikaw ay natutulog is by selling digital products. Ito po hindi na rin masyado napapansin to pero ngayon sumisikat na po to. Anong mga digital products? Ang ibig sabihin po niya, pwede nyo pong i-deliver ang inyong produkto digitally, through the internet, through email, through social media. Wala na pong physical delivery. Hindi na pipick up po. Ang isang digital products na sobrang ginagamit po ng karamihan ng mga Pilipino ay Netflix. Wala naman tayo dina-download. Access lang, pinapanood po natin yan. Grabe po. So, ang dami na pong opportunity ngayon. Anong pong potential income po pagdating po sa pagbebenta ng digital product? Pwedeng thousands or even millions. Anong pros po nito? Siyempre, mababa lang overhead cost mo. And then ito po, one-time setup lang to. Pag na-set up mo na to, ibebenta mo na to forever. Wala kang cost as in. Wala kang cost to produce, wala kang cost to ship. Di ba? And then, ang kagandahan po dito, mabilis scale. At saka, ang reach mo, kagandahan, hindi lang Pilipinas. Di ba? Worldwide. Habang may gusto ng produkto mo, pwede mong bentahan. And then, ito yung kagandahan. Habang may bumibili, habang tutulog ka, kita ka. Ay, grabe, no? Pagbukas mo ng email mo, dami na po mapasok na benta. Grabe talaga, no? Gusto mo ba yan?
Gusto mo ba yun? Ayan. How much nga ba ang possible mong i-earn? So, for example, you create or sell a digital products for $499. So, you made one sale a day. So, daily income is $499 and monthly you can earn 14,000 or it's like 15,000. So, imagine if you can sell more than one per day. Beginner lang ako at no experience. So, as I've mentioned, I am complete beginner in this industry. Hindi ako creative, hindi ako editor. So, lahat ng bagay na papag-aralan and marami ng resources. Paano ba siya gawin? No? So, now, wala akong laptop. Pwede ba kahit phone lang? You can use your phone because ang Canva and Rocket PH are accessible sa phone. Now, nasa ibang bansa ako, wala sa Pilipinas. Pwede ba sa akin yan? So, nabanggit na ni Searching Kitan that yes, it is since digital lahat. And easy money lang ba yan? So, I have mentioned, hindi po. Kailangan mo siyang aralin. I'm always transparent with this, na kailangan mo siyang aralin. Hindi siya yung pag-setup mo ng Rocket Page yun na. You need to know and understand the process and how to market it. Kasi nga, again, walang easy money. So, huwag kayong niwala doon. Kaya maraming nai-scam. But, the good thing naman is, sa umpisa lang siya. Kumbaga, sa umpisa lang siya medyo struggle kasi nga aralin mo. But once na-set up mo na siya, tuloy-tuloy na. So, hindi ako mahilig sa social media. Okay lang ba kahit hindi makita ang face? Don't worry because you can do a faceless marketing. So, ito kasi yung usual problem, especially sa mga introvert. But we have an option dyan, yung faceless marketing. And now, if wala kang time, ito yung laging rason, like, nag-work ako nag-aaral ako, I don't have time for that. So, if you don't have time to create your own digital products, you can start through reselling a done-for-you products. Done-for-you products are the products that are created already and isi-sell mo na lang. So, kumbaga, na-lessen mo na yung hassle and yung time to create pa. So, ito yung mga advantages ng pag-resell ng done for you products. So, minimal effort na lang. Sabi ko nga, it is already made. So, ang kailangan mo na lang gawin is i-set up, no? And also, minimal upfront investment because you need to buy the rights. Bibilin mo yung rights na lang. Kailangan maging skilled. Kasi nga, ang focus mo lang dito is how to market and paano mo siya ibebenta. Kasi nga, hindi ka na magki-create pa. So, lower risk kasi nga proven na siya sa market. May demand na siya. Also, if 100% of the profit is mapupunta sa inyo and pwede mo siyang ibenta. Meron tayong tatlong rights ng digital products, MRR or Muscle Resell rights. Pwede mo siyang i-sell, i-resell, pero bawal mo siyang i-edit. PLR o private label rights. You can edit the product, you can rebrand it as your own, so you can resell it. No? Pwede rin for personal use. Ayan. Kanino ka ba? Saan ka ba bibili ng product? So, marami kang pwedeng pagbilhan. Marami kang tingnan sa Rocket PH, kung saan man. But you need to make sure na legit and trusted yung tao na yon. Also, may results and may magandang feedback. Alam mo na, no? Alam mo na yung process, alam mo na yung flow. Paano ka na ba magsisimula? Ano nang pwede mong gawin ngayon? Since natutunan mo na yung process. Now, you have two options. Pwede ka mag-self-study. So, ito, gamitin mo tong webinar na to. Also, my free ebook on my website, pwede mong gamitin. Second, you have an option. You can also avail one of my bundles. So, actually, recommended talaga, especially if zero background, zero knowledge talaga. Kasi bakit nag-self-study ako nung umpisa? But sobrang hirap talaga, sobrang dami ng information. So, once you avail a bundle, for example, from me, so malilesen mo na, maiiwasan mo na yung mga mistakes ko, maiiwasan mo na yung mga hindi dapat gawin. No? Kasi nga, ito yung marireceive mo pag ikaw ay nag-avail ng bundle. So, my bundles is only for you or for those who want one-on-one live coaching. Yan. So, you have one-on-one live coaching with me. Tayong dalawa lang. And also, may free trainings and weekly webinars. So, free lang yan. Also, access to our exclusive group chats. Yan, meron tayong mga community. So, whenever may question ka, pwede ka magtanong. You're not alone here. Also, lifetime guidance. Anytime, pag may tanong ka, pwede ka mag-message sa akin. And also, the best part also here is meron tayong ready to sell digital products ng kasama. Kaya mag-create pa. And the best of the best, meron tayong personal community meetups. So we can share our knowledge and skills, also our tips face to face. Yeah, so this is for you kung gusto mo na to. Now, this is one-time payment but lifetime access. So, kumbaga kung nag-business ka ng physical business, namuhunan ka na, bayad ng capital again para sa product mo. Kumbaga nagpapa-capital rolling. But here, one time lang siya talaga. So, here are the feedback. Marami pang iba. So, this is just some of the feedbacks. And these are the testimonials sa mga nag-avail ng aking bundles. So, ito is, share ko lang, testimonial ko po, 18 days earning since I launched last October 9. First sale niya daw, iyan. Nagka-sale siya agad after 2 days. Imagine, di ba? I'm grateful na nadaan sa newsfeed ko si Christine. So, beginner lang din siya, imagine. Oto din, December 7 pa lang, may 10,000 na siya. So, alam ko, student siya. Also, ito din sa community natin, Mommy. Ayan, marami pang iba. Ay, ilan lamang sa mga kumikita. And kung nagkagawa nila, kaya mo din. So, just an important reminder, as again, I'm always transparent with this, my bundles are designed to help you grow your digital product business. So, results may vary depending on your individual efforts and circumstances. First bundle, starter launch bundle. So, ano ba yung laman ng bundle na to? First, meron itong digital product blueprint, 14-day roadmap na siya. Anong mga dapat mong gawin? Also, plus Rocket PH mini course. So, dito mo matututunan, may 24 demo videos, paano mo ba gagawin yung Rocket PH, paano ka maglilist ng product, paano ka ba magkakaroon ng sale sa Rocket PH. Also, andito na din, paano ka ba magkakapag-create ng 3 premium products with free digital products na din that you can sell. And you can also learn here paano ba mag-create ng website or landing page using Canva. So, yan yung mga matututunan mo inside this bundle. And these are the products that you will receive. Imagine, meron kang Canva ebook guide, Rocket Page course, mock-up templates, how to start an online business, yan, 600 digital product ideas, kung wala ka pang idea. Ayan. Also, meron tayong faceless videos. So, sabi ko nga, pwede mong gamitin, pwede kang mag-faceless marketing here in digital products, and may 20 digital products na pwede mong i-resell. Okay? And also, meron ka ng website na built-in. So, technically, magkakaroon ka ng website built, pwede mo siyang i-edit on your own information. And, ayan, merong one-on-one coaching. So, the total value of this is 13,916, but we have limited time promo which is 2,399 only. So, makakapag-save ka ng 8,518 pesos. So, pag binenta mo yan, so, imagine more than pa. So, this is for 15 slots only. And the second bundle that you can start is our Masterclass Launch Bundle. So, what's inside? Ano bang difference nito sa first bundle? So, ito naman is full course. So, yung first bundle is mini course, right? With a blueprint. But here is a full course with 73 demo videos from creating your product to launching your product successfully. You will learn also how to create templates, trackers, ebooks, presets, and so much more from scratch. And this also has a Canva crash course with 1,600 Canva templates. And the best part here, meron itong 100,000 free ebooks. Pwede mo gamitan personally and pwede mo rin i-sell. So, yun yung difference niya. Matututunan mo rin here paano mag-create ng website through System.io, which I am using right now. Okay? And meron din siyang 3 busy book templates. So, for kids. Ayan. Here's what you will learn inside this masterclass. So, you will learn how to about digital marketing, how to set up an online business, automated business, how to optimize your sales process, email marketing, business tools, and free community that will help you. Okay? And ito yung laman ng masterclass bundle natin. As you can see, it is total of 20,176 in total value. But you can get this for 3,399 only. So again, meron ka ng full course, meron kang Canva course, also may mga digital products to sell na din, and so much more. This is for 15 slots only. Make sure na makuha yung slot mo, masecure mo na. And the third bundle is our premium bundle. Ang premium bundle na to is all-in-one bundle. Kung ano yung laman nung first bundle natin, and ng second bundle is nandito na. Nandito na siya, plus meron ka pang busy book course. Ayan, meron ka pang maraming freebies. So, ito yung marireceive mo. Again, ito yung premium bonuses na wala doon sa dalawa. So, yung dalawang bundle na yun nandito na, plus meron kang free Canva Pro access for 3 months. So, you can enjoy the Pro elements. Next, you will have a busy book course templates. You have Canva starter kit, the 1,600 banners, templates kanyan. And you will also learn here, the faceless marketing guide. This is like, so imagine, sobrang sulit, no? Ako actually, ito yung bestseller talaga kasi nga, we all want the all-in. Diba? Especially for beginner, this is perfect for you. Kasi nga, hindi ka na maghahanap pa. Hindi ito na, gagawin mo na lang siya, aaralin mo na lang. Ito yung marireceive mo and the total value of 36,182 pesos. But you will get it for 4,699 pesos only. Kakaroon ka ng savings ng 31,000 plus. So that's the 3 bundles that you can start, especially if you are a beginner. Okay, so now, if you want na digital products only ang gusto mong i-avail, here is the inclusions. Meron ka ng 1,600 na Canva templates and planners worth 6,000 plus. May 90 days of social media. Ayan, may Canva mockup templates, Rocket Page mini guide, for paano mo siya i-list. This is worth 9,684, but now you can get this for 1,299. Can save up to 8,000 plus. So this is only for 10 slots. This is just a limited time promo. Kaya i-grab mo na. Check my Rocket PH if you want more digital products na you want to sell. So, paano ka ba kikita dito sa ating bundles? First, you can create your own since matututunan mo siya inside the bundle, inside the course and the webinars. Second, you can resell the products inside. No? So, you can sell as is. No, you can sell also like the digital products itself there. You can also offer it as a service. For example, natutunan mo paano mag-create ng templates, ng website. So, pwede mo siyang i-offer internationally or in the Philippines. Now, so, paano ka ba kita? For example, nag-avail ka, so, one sale mo lang, ROI na agad. So, return of investment na agad. Bawi mo na agad yung pinuhunan. Another, if you want to sell individual products, for example, amounting to 499 as I mentioned, pwede din yun. So, the best time to start was last year. The second time is today. Actually, as I mentioned, nag-start ako last year. So, first year ko na ngayon. Imagine if hindi ako nag-start last year. Baka right now burnout pa rin ako sa work. Baka right now wala pa rin tayong savings. Wala pa rin tayong peace in mind. Kaya ngayon pa lang, hindi mo kailangan maging magaling para mag-start. You need to start para gumaling. Alright? So this is my special offer for you since umabot ka sa dulo na to. This is for you. Now, if you avail, no, our premium bundle, first 10 slots will get digital products worth 2,000. Imagine, nag-avail ka ng 4,699, so may 2,000 plus ka pang product, di ba? So again, meron siyang Canva Pro Access, may Busybox, also all-in bundle na talaga siya, kung anong laman ng mga lahat ng bundle. Make sure to take a screenshot for this, of this, and send it to my Instagram. Qualify ka sa ating promo. Alright? So again, lahat ng bundles is nasa limited time promo only due to high volume of one-on-one coaching. So technically, makikater lang natin is yung mga nasa slots. If you're ready now to start your side hustle through Canva Digital Product, just click the link below of this video para sa payment methods para makuha mo na yung access. Once you've done the payment, just send to my Instagram account. So, thank you so much for attending. I'm excited for your growth here in digital products, and don't worry, you're not alone here. I am your guide here in your digital product, and gusto ko na kung anong nangyari sa akin ay mangyari din sa'yo. Okay, so start ka na.